Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on how to view and control running services on Android. Point 1. Enable developer option. Step 1. Swipe the top screen down and make a tap on the settings cog. Step 2. Once the settings page rolls down to the screen, scroll down to the bottom and do touch on the About phone. Step 3. When shifted to a new page, reach out to software information and perform a tap on it. Step 4. After the new screen comes into view, you will see the build number option. Do 3 to 4 cumulative taps on it until you see a message Developer option enabled. Therefore, the developer option is now available in settings for your device. Now, to view the running processes, you need to follow the given instructions. Point 2. Procedure to view running services on Android. 1. Open Settings by swiping down the notification bar and tapping the cog icon. 2. Move down to the screen and put a tap on Developer options. 3. Once the system takes you to the next page, look for the Running Services option and choose it once you find it. 4. You will now see the running programs, moreover their RAM usage on this page. All of these services are not always necessary to run in the background. Hence, you can restrict them using the following ways. Point 4. Methods to control running services on Android. Way 1. Stop from running services. 1. Open the running services from the previous method and tap the service you want to stop from the list. 2. Choose the stop button to continue. 3. Once the system prompts for your permission to send a warning dialog, select OK to stop the service. Way 2. Force stop or uninstall an app. 1. Pull down the screen and do touch on the gear icon from the top right corner to launch settings. 2. Head to Apps and make a tap on it. 3. Once the list of applications is visible, choose the one you like to stop forcibly. 4. Upon proceeding to the App Info page, hit the Force Stop button to continue with restricting the app. Thank you for watching presentation video on running services, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us on www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.